Hello all you 815 off-roaders out there. Today I'm going to do a quick little video of my 2018 Maverick X3 XRC 120 horsepower model. I've already done a few little modifications to it. I did a Maloney Motorsports Stage 3 tune that brings it up to about 127 horsepower at the wheels. I've done a Trio exhaust and a velocity intake. I'm getting ready to do KWI full clutching. I got the full float mod coming, the clutch kit, and the new outer half, I guess they call it, for the primary, because I guess for the 2019 it's stronger. I've been in contact with Whalen Speed out of Michigan. That's who I talked to about the clutching. That's who I'm going to give a shot at the tuning. Not that there's anything wrong with the Maloney Motorsports tune. I think I just want a little bit more. So this video is just about some little things that are coming up pretty soon, and I figured I'd go over what I've already done.
So this is my 2018 Maverick. That's my dog Grizzly right there. Right now I've got the stock tires on there, but I also have a set of 32-inch XT300s. I had those on there already, but I didn't really like them with the stock clutching because it really wasn't enough. So once I get the new clutching from KWI, I'm going to slap those back on there. Should be good to go. Figure I'll show you real quick as far as what my Trio exhaust looked like. It sounds great. It's a little loud, but once you get used to it, it's got a really nice sound to it. I already took the clutches off so that I can ship them off to Chris Worth today. They're in really good shape and they came off so easy. The 3 Polaris machines from previous videos have already been clutched and tuned and all that other stuff, so I guess now it's my turn.
So that's it for this little rainy day video. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video when we install the new mods and the clutch and see how it goes. Should be a really nice one. Thanks for watching.